When telephones first came into commercial use, you had to whistle loudly into the receiver to get the other person's attention, as telephone bells hadn't been invented yet. Sinas are so entwined in the culture of Finland that some people have been born in them without the heat on. Saunas are a practical sterilized environment with hot water readily available. It's estimated the country has over 2 million saunas for a country of just over 5.5 million people. An Australian woman named Natasha Kampusch was abducted in 1998 when she was just 10 years old. The case remained unsolved and she remained missing until 2006 when she escaped her captor's house and knocked on a neighbor's house, saying, "I am Natasha Kampusch." She was held in a cellar by her kidnapper for over 8 years. Amber Hagerman is the reason we have the alert or a child abduction emergency alert system. As of April 2019, 957 children were rescued specifically because of Amber Alert. To this day, the Amber behind Amber Alert is still waiting for justice. A Brazilian grandmother who prays to a figurine of Saint Anthony for years, only to discover it was an action figure of the elf Lord Elrond from the Lord of the Rings films. The longest car in the world. The 26-wheeled limousine has a swimming pool with diving board and a king-sized water bed. The Electric Cinema in London offers a unique solution to the neck-standing problem of sitting in the front row. The entire front of seats in their theatre are beds, making it easier to look up at the screen as you lay down. Jackie Chan is donating his entire fortune to charity when he dies and is leaving his son nothing. He said if he is capable, he can make his own money. If he is not, then he will just be wasting my money. Did you know there were Mickey Mouse gas masks during World War II? They were designed for children to carry and wear as a game, which was somehow supposed to be less scary. The snow monkeys in Japan's Jigokundani Monkey Park have their own hot tubs. They are used to humans watching them bathe in the natural hot springs, which allows them to be observed and photographed at close range. In 1999, a clever group of hackers realized they could hack into any Hotmail account by using the password PIN. The platform was owned by Bill Gates' Microsoft at that time and had over 50 million users. Once Microsoft became aware of the breach, it fixed the problem in 2 hours. Circular bridge built to slow down drivers so that they can enjoy the view. The Navajo have a tradition around celebrating a baby's first laugh. Around 3 months, they watch the baby closely for that first real giggle. The person who has the good fortune of electing that first laugh is then responsible for throwing a party. The green falling code in the Matrix is just loads of sushi recipes. Prisoners waiting to be executed on death row in America are given a physical beforehand to ensure they are fit enough to die. Living alone can make you weird, study finds. The Black Plague solved an overpopulation problem in 14th century Europe. In the aftermath, wages increased, rent decreased, wealth was more evenly distributed, diet improved, and life expectancy increased. Brian May, an astrophysicist who collaborated with the team behind New Horizons, the first spacecraft to explore Pluto, is better known as the lead guitarist of Queen. This is Vaquita, the rarest animal in Earth. There are only 10 to 15 left in the world. Sir Isaac Newton's apple tree still stands today, more than 350 years after it helped him to discover gravity. A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one. Discovered in late 1985 by Arthur and Sony Rainbow Lattice Sunstone, is a mineral forming igneous rock. Its distinctive iridescent lattice pattern makes it a very rare and attractive gemstone. It is found in a remote part of a desert in North Australia. Strawberry blonde is the rarest type of blonde hair. Humans almost became extinct about 70,000 years ago when the total population dropped below 2,000. Microsoft and the UK will build the world's most powerful weather forecasting supercomputer by 2022. What other people see in dreams? What is see in dreams? Looks like something out of Star Wars, but it's the city of Medina. This is the Egyptian plover bird, which eats food stuck between crocodiles' teeth so the teeth are clean, and also crocodile doesn't eat the bird. Carlos Norman Hancock was a legendary US Marine Corps sniper the enemy's own rifle scope and killed him. During Vietnam War, after crawling over 1500 yards of the field for 4 days and 3 nights, he killed a Pavan general with a single shot and returned without being spotted. He was honored by having a rifle named after him. Since 2011, an art group in Japan has been repurposing phone booths as goldfish aquariums. When King Erik XIV of Sweden was trying to persuade Elizabeth I to marry him, he sent her this portrait because he was so pleased with how he looked. It backfired.